Welcome to Philam Life Village Uptown Cagayan de Oro, where this brand new modern home stands out as a truly rare offering. Built in 2025, this home is fully furnished and finished with hand-picked premium details. This home is designed for buyers who want quality, comfort, and convenience because this is just within walking distance to Pueblo Business Park and a few minutes drive to SM City Mall and Xavier Grade School and High School. This two-story home sits on a 216 square meter lot area with 210 square meters of floor space. It has 5 bedrooms, with all the rooms having its own toilet and bath, plus the master bedroom is situated on the ground floor. This house comes with 1 car parking space, and the surrounding space has been maximized by the owner as well. They have greenery and plants and even some vegetables planted surrounding the home. So if you have a green thumb, then you will enjoy taking care of all the plants here. And it also has 2 access points to the house. So one is this one leading straight into the kitchen. So if you're driving home with groceries, then you can just access this door. And we have this main door over here, made of teak wood from Abrillo. So this is the main entrance door of the property. Now let's go check out this property. As you step inside, you're welcomed by generous living spaces designed for everyday living and entertaining. The living room flows smoothly into the dining area, and we have floor-to-ceiling windows over here with sliding glass doors that lead out into the patio, so you can open up your home for bigger space, connecting the outdoors to your indoors. All of their doors are from Abrillo, coming from this main door, as well as their interior doors as well. And most of their furniture are either from Abrillo, which is known for their hardwood premium finish. They actually use either teak wood or mahogany, which are both hardwood and they last very long. And also from Pottery Barn. So just look at this tub chair. So each of these cost like 100,000 pesos. So it can go all the way around like this. So this tub chair is from Pottery Barn. The living room flows smoothly into this dining area, which you can see a 6-seater hardwood table, again from Abrillo. And there is a powder room over here for easy access to your guests. And again, we have these huge windows already screened, so the the entire house actually comes with split type air conditioning, but if you want fresh air to come in, so you can just open up your windows, and then you have the screens to keep all the flies and bugs out.
The kitchen comes fully equipped with premium setup and custom-made cabinetry from WellKraft with premium finish. Every detail has been thought out, coming from this double-door refrigerator that just fits in this space over here, with the soft closed cabinetry with pull-outs. And then we also have the oven over here, the cooktop, and range hood. So everything that you need is already in this kitchen. This house is also equipped with a 10 kilowatt solar powered energy system, leading to long-term savings. So this home actually has either zero to very minimal electricity bills per month. One of the highlights of this home is this ground floor master bedroom, ideal for multi-generational living. So if you have your parents as well living with you, then you can give them this room, which is just on the first floor, so it would be easy for them to access the rest of the home without going up and down the stairs. Again, the furniture here are mostly from Abrillo. Look at this beautiful bed frame with the side tables. The home comes fully furnished already with cabinetry installed. And it also is connected to the walk-in closet and toilet and bath. Everything is already ready. You just need to hang your clothes and put your personal stuff inside. The shower area is also enclosed. So the advantage of that is you would be keeping all the water inside just this shower area, keeping the rest of the bathroom dry.
Here on the second level, you will find all the remaining bedrooms well proportioned, thoughtfully laid out, and designed for comfort. Whether it's for family, guests, or a home office, each room offers flexibility and space. Plus, you have this family room over here, which could be a space where you and your family could chill and watch movies. The second floor windows also are floor to ceiling, so you could let a lot of natural light inside your homes. They also come with this Juliet balcony and cantilevers over here. These ones, they keep out the sunlight from directly entering your home, so at least your home won't heat up during the peak sunlight moments. Here on the second floor, there are 3 rooms, and all the rooms come with their own toilet and bath. Let's check out the first one. All the rooms can fit in a queen-sized bed, and this particular room comes with this custom-made table, plus built-in cabinetry, so you just have to bring in your clothes. Each room comes with its own toilet and bath, complete with an enclosed shower. The second bedroom is a mirror image of the first room, which comes fully furnished, again with this beautiful hardwood custom table, which you could use either for work or studying. So it's built big enough to fit in like all your equipment, a printer, anything you might need for work. And again, it comes with built-in cabinetry. And then we have this extra space here which could double as your linen cabinet, which is located right beside the third bedroom. The third room comes with 2 double beds, which is perfect if you have kids, then they could share this room. And it also comes with built-in soft close cabinetry with this beautiful special lining over here and its own toilet and bath. Again, with the enclosed shower. So no need to fight over who gets to use the toilet or the bathroom first, because all the rooms come equipped with their own toilet and bath. And there is also a staff room or a maid's room on the ground floor as well for those who have house angels. it for today's home tour. If you would like to check out this property in person or any of our listings, then do contact me. My WhatsApp information is in the description.